Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm diving into the Zukrave Women's and Girls Makeup Kit, a 22-piece set that's got everything you need to slay your makeup game. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. First up, we've got 7 black makeup brushes, super soft and perfect for blending. I love how they feel on my skin and they make application a breeze. Next, there's the 4-in-1 Red Edition Matte Mini Lipstick. These shades are bold, vibrant, and totally wearable for any occasion. The matte finish lasts all day, which is a huge win for me. Then we've got the Makeup Fixer, a must-have to lock in your look. I sprayed it on and my makeup didn't budge for hours. The primer is next and it's amazing. Smooths out my skin and makes my foundation glide on like a dream. Speaking of foundation, it's included too, and it gives such a natural, flawless finish. I'm obsessed. There's also a contour stick, creamy, easy to blend, and great for sculpting those cheekbones. Now let's talk about the 36H Kajal. It's super pigmented and stays put all day, no smudging here. The 3-in-1 combo is a game changer. Eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. It's perfect for quick touch-ups or a full glam look. And of course the Beauty Blender, bouncy, soft, and blends everything seamlessly. This kit is honestly a steal for beginners or pros. It's got all the essentials to create endless looks from everyday, natural to bold and dramatic. I've been playing with it all week and I'm so impressed with the quality. Want to see it in action? Stick around for my next video where I'll do a full face tutorial using this kit. If you're loving this, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you think of the Zukrave kit or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, beauties. See you soon.